These are the type of cars, tanker cars, that have been in the news lately. And as you can see, there really isn't much to them. You figure they're driving 40 miles an hour down the track, and they derail, they flip, they get other cars crashing into them. Things can get pretty nasty, as you already know. I filmed this 6 months ago, and I decided to put it up so people can see exactly what these cars look like and get a better understanding what they are. Thank you very much for watching. You have a good day.